The persona is an extremely important element for your Wisewand content. It will allow you to give your articles a very specific style, a unique style, and therefore, depending on the site where you publish the article, to assign a particular style. If you use Wisewand without a persona, you're missing out on a huge part of the quality our tool offers. What I suggest is that we create a new persona together. You can see that I already have quite a few. So I click here on the left on persona to go to the persona section. Then I'm going to click on add a persona. Right here, I can choose a little icon. So depending, well, it doesn't really matter actually whether my persona is male or female. I can give it a name. So I'm going to call mine Arthur. And right here, I can also give it a style. And so now here we are getting to the heart of the matter. What I suggest you do is you actually have two options. The first is you simply say Arthur writes making jokes from time to time. Arthur writes in a dynamic way. Arthur writes by addressing his audience using TU, informal U. And you can also say that Arthur writes by including emojis in his content. That's the first option. So you define yourself how you write or how you want things to be done on the site where you will publish the Wisewand articles which will use this specific persona. And you have a second option, which is to go to a site where you know things are done the way you want them to be. And at that point, you simply copy the entire article. Then you go all the way to the end, copy and paste the article into the pre-fill from an example section and generate the style from there. And what you can do once that's done is click on test the writing style and you'll get a little sample text that pops up like, hey wizards. Today we're going to break down SEO together. So you can see there are some little emojis and you can see that it has created my entire style for me. The tone is decidedly informal and conversational with a casual register. The writing style is mainly descriptive. So there you go. Everything is explained for the AI right here. And so with Wisewand, by using the persona, once I've saved it, there I save it. So it's called Alex. Well, this persona, I'll be able to use it within my content and it will really give a style and make something really cool. And it's important to use personas on Wisewand